Welcome and bienvenidos to Babies Learn Spanish. My name is Arrie Starrie. Come with me, friends, as we learn Spanish together. Today, we're going to be talking about food. Are you ready? Great, let's begin. Today, we're going to be talking about food. Can you sound that out with me? Food. 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 Great job. Now let's learn that in Spanish. Comida. 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 Excelente trabajo. Let's learn about different comidas. Let's start with fruits. 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 Nice job. Now let's say that in Spanish. Frutas. 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 Magnifico. Now let's do vegetables. 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 In Spanish, this is called vegetales. Now let's sound it out in Spanish. Vegetales. Vegetales. Which one is food? ¿Cuál es comida? Can you point to the food? ¿Puedes apuntar a la comida? Bravo! Esto es comida. This is food. Maravilloso! Now let's start to cook. Can you say cook? Cook. Awesome! Now let's say that in Spanish. Cocinar. 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 Let's start cooking something. I'm going to follow a recipe to cook some comida. Can you say recipes with me? Recipes. Recipes. Awesome. Now let's learn that in Spanish. Recetas. Can you sound that out with me? Recetas. Recetas. Now let's look in the cookbook. Let's make this recipe for chili. There's a few steps here. Let's count how many steps there are in Spanish. 1, 2, 3. Excelente! Let's start on step número 1. We need a can of beans. How many cans of beans do we need? We need 1 can of beans. All right, now let's look at step número 2. This receta calls for tomatoes. How many tomatoes do we need? We need 1 y 2. ¡Qué bien! Now let's look at step número 3. This step calls for peppers. How many peppers do we need? 1, 2 y 3. Excelente! Now that we know what we need, let's start making the chili. We have so many things here. Can you help me find what I need to put in the pot for the chili? Maravilloso! Let's start from the top. What is this? That's right, it's a can of beans, or frijoles. Do we need that for the chili? Should we put that in the pot? Yes, let's put it in there. Great job! Let's try the next one. What are these called? That's right, these are keys or llaves. Do these belong in the chili? No, they don't belong in there. What about this? What is this? It's a banana. Does this belong in the chili? No, that doesn't belong there. Let's try the next one. What are these called? These are called tomatoes or tomates. Do these belong in the chili? Yes, let's put it in there. Now let's try this one. What is this? This is a shoe or zapato. Does this belong in the chili? No, that doesn't belong there. Great job! Let's keep that to the side. What are these called? These are called peppers or pimientos. Do these belong in the chili? Yes, let's put it in there. Fantastic! Now let's close this up and start cooking the chili. We need to let everything cook for 1 hour, or una hora. While we wait, let's bake something. Can you say bake with me? Bake. 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 Great job! Now let's learn that in Spanish. Hornear. Let's sound it out. Here's a tip. The H is silent, so we'll skip it. Hornear. Hornear. Excelente! Let's use this receta to bake something. We're gonna be making a cake. Can you count how many steps there are in Spanish with me? Uno, dos, y tres. Yay! Bravo! Let's start on step número uno. What is this? This is called butter or mantequilla. How much mantequilla do we need? We just need uno. Now let's look at step número dos. This receta calls for flour or harina. How much harina do we need? We need uno y dos. Excelente trabajo. Now let's look at step número tres. This receta calls for eggs or huevos. How many eggs do we need? Count with me in Spanish. We need uno, dos, y tres. Excelente trabajo. Now let's put everything together. We have all the ingredients here. Which one should we put in the bowl first? Let's start with the mantequilla. Let's put it in the bowl. Great job! Now let's put the harina in. Fantastico! What's the last ingredient we need to put in the bowl? That's right! We need to put the huevos in the bowl. Now let's mix it all together. Uh-oh! It's not mixing. How can we get it to mix? Maybe if we say mix, it'll mix it. Let's try. Can you say mix? Mix. Great job. But that didn't work. Let's try saying it in Spanish. Maybe that will work. Mezcla. ¡Qué bien! It's mixing now. Now that we mixed everything together, all we have to do is put it in the oven. First, let's open the oven. Can you say open? Open. Nice job. Now let's say that in Spanish. Abre. Fantastico. Let's put the cake in the oven. Fantastic. Now let's close the oven. Can you say close with me? Close. Nice job. Now let's say that in Spanish. Cierra. ¡Qué bien! Now that it's baking, let's put a timer for 10 minutes. Let's pass the time by counting down the minutes or minutos until it's ready. Let's count down in Spanish. Are you ready? Let's start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! All done. Can you say abre? Abre. Maravilloso. Look at the cake we made. Bravo. The only thing left is to put a candle on the cake. ¡Qué bonito! Let's cut the cake to give to our friends. Let's take a look at our pantry and see all the spices. Can you say spices with me? Spy says spices. Nice job. Now let's say that in Spanish. Especias. 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 Awesome. I've set up the table with all of our foods and snacks together. Can you say snacks? Snacks. Snacks. Excelente. Now let's say that in Spanish. Bocadillos. Can you sound that out with me? Here's a tip. If you see two L's together, it's pronounced like a Y. Bocadillos. Bocadillos. Let's enjoy our bocadillos. Now let's learn about different flavors and tastes. Can you say taste? Taste. Nice job. Now let's say that in Spanish. Sabor. 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 Fantastico. What are some different tastes or sabores out there? Let's start with sweet. The Spanish word for sweet is dulce. Let's sound these words out. Sweet. Sweet. Now let's sound out Dulce. 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 Can you name something sweet? ¿Puedes nombrar algo dulce? That's right. Candy or caramelo is sweet. What else is sweet? Strawberries or fresas are sweet too. Now let's move on to salty or salado. Sound these words out with me. Salty. Salty. Now let's sound it out in Spanish. Salado. Salado. Can you name something salty? ¿Puedes nombrar algo salado? French fries are salado. Pretzels are salado too. Now let's learn about spicy or picante. Let's sound these words out. Spicy. Spicy. Nice job. Now let's say that in Spanish. Picante. 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 Excelente trabajo. Can you name something spicy? ¿Puedes nombrar algo picante? Jalapenos are picante. What else is picante? That's right. Hot sauce is picante. Let's do one more. Let's learn about sour or agrio. Can you say those with me? Let's start with sour. 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 Awesome. Now let's sound agrio out. Agrio. Agrio. Can you name something sour? ¿Puedes nombrar algo agrio? Correct. Lemons are agrio. What else is agrio? Correcto. Pickles are agrio. Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to learn more Spanish with me. Until next time, adios.